Hello guys, it's Thiru Nagappan here, founder of MasterTheMarkets Elite Traders Conference and the Traders Open Day. So for this New Year's Eve video, I'm here in Germany and I just wanted to do this message for you guys on consistency going into the new year. Because this is one thing myself and the team at MasterTheMarkets want to achieve going into this year. You see, there's 3 steps to achieve consistency. I always remember this quote on consistency which says that basically, what is consistency? Now, consistency, I remember this one line, it's coming to my memory right now, and it said that small things done consistently achieve extraordinary results. Okay? So now the 3 steps to achieving consistency, I would, in my opinion, say is first, get clear. Let's get clear on what is it you want to get consistent in going into the new year. As Brian Tracy says, there's 2 types of thinking, slow thinking and fast thinking. Slow yourself down and use slow thinking and ask yourself this question of, if there's one thing that you would like to get consistent on into the new year, what would that be? For myself, there's quite a few things that I want to do. If there's one thing I would choose, probably it's the time discipline in which I do my things and just what I want to get consistent on. For example, eating times. I want to eat at a certain time every day. For example, I don't want to eat after 10 p.m. I want to eat before 10 p.m. my dinner. My trades, I want to place it at midnight or before midnight at a particular time. That is how I would define it going into the new year on what is it I want to get consistent on. That's the first thing, right? So really get clear on that. The second thing is you must ask yourself, why must you get consistent on the thing that you've chosen? Okay? Now, think about it. If you don't get consistent, you'll always achieve the same results that you got previously, which you're not happy about. But if you got consistent, and if you did become consistent, you change what you've done previously, you do something new, naturally you're going to get different results that you're happy about. Okay? So if you don't get consistent, unhappy. If you do get consistent, you change, you get new results, and you're happy about it. So how do we sustain that consistency? You must ask yourself the question of, why must I get consistent on that thing that I've chosen? List down the pain and the pleasure reasons. What are the painful reasons that will happen if you do not get consistent? What are the pleasurable, beneficial reasons that you will achieve if you got consistent? Okay? So that's the second thing you need to do. So you get clear on what, then you say why, and the final thing is get a plan. How do you achieve that consistency? So design a plan, but I would say naturally the simple thing is start small. Okay? Start small. Do something really small first. Don't go and say that, just tomorrow itself, a new year, I'm going to run 25 kilometers to lose all your weight. No, it's not going to happen, right? So you start really small. You start really small saying that, I'm just going to do a walk going into this week. I'm going to do a walk maybe twice a week. And after the first month, then I'm going to be starting to jog like once a week. And then after that, into the 3rd month, then you can say, I'm going to jog now 3 times a week. So pace yourself. Create the plan. But do remember, small steps first. Because the small steps will create the momentum, and the momentum then will produce you the big results and achieve your goals that you always wanted to achieve with consistency. So just a quick recap. So first, get clear on what is it you want to get consistent with. Second, why must you get consistent with it? And third, how are we going to achieve it, and start with small steps. Thank you for listening to this video, and I really wish you, our team and I, really wish you an amazing new year ahead. And as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.